Good Monday morning, showing Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for September 8th, 2014. We're going to have a high pressure that's going to be moving off into the Gulf of Maine here. It's going to be moving offshore. At the same time, we're going to have an area of low pressure that's going to be forming around here, around the Carolinas. And it's going to drift slowly to the northeast and right about to the point of the mouth of the Chesapeake, and then we think it's going to head east after that. But it's just going to be just close enough that we're going to have a combination of things. One, you're going to have an onshore flow here, and that's going to allow an increase in cloud cover over the next day or two, maybe three. And we're not talking about totally cloudy unless you get closer to the shore. So the closer you are to the shore points, down in these areas especially, the more cloud cover you're going to be dealing with. Further inland, you get to have a little bit of a break, so you're probably mostly cloudy out in this area here, and then partly cloudy when you get further out here in our western zone. So further away from the ocean you are, the better chance you have of getting more sun than clouds. But again, with that marine influence, you'll have those clouds move in. And we're also going to have some precipitation in association with this. Looks like overnight tonight into Tuesday, and again, as the system is the system's down here by the Carolinas here, it's going to drift up to a point right about here. When it's at this point right here, where I'm drawing the X right now, you're going to have some showers. You're going to get up into at least southern New Jersey, Delaware, maybe as far north as central New Jersey, over to maybe as high as the Lehigh Valley. So I'd say anything up to this point here has an isolated chance of a shower in these zones right here on Tuesday. Further south would be a better chance because you're closer to that system itself. And we'll put this a little bit forward. And first we'll look at the NAM here. This is the NAM looking at Monday evening here, and you can see southern Delaware is going to be a threat here, extreme southern New Jersey down by Cape May, and then you get into the next day on Tuesday, you can see some showers, activity actually popping a little bit further to the north here, but these are very isolated here, nothing concentrated like you see down here off the coast. So we're not really worried about much at all over the next couple of days. The biggest thing again is going to be the cloud cover in association with the system. And here's the system moving north here before it's going to get to a point right about to here, and then it's going to start drifting out to the east or east northeast in this direction like that. But you could get some showers isolated moving up a little bit further north here. Biggest thing here is with high pressure here and your low pressure sitting down here in this area, you're going to have a squeeze play between the two, and that marine flow will keep the clouds, like we said earlier in the video. Going a little bit further here, again, here's that system here moving off to the east here, and it should move out of our area. We're looking at, as you get into Thursday here, the winds are going to shift to the south and southwest here, and you're going to have one day of there it's going to warm up a little bit, warm up to above normal temperatures because you have the southwesterly flow. Here's your cold front right here. It's associated, which is in association with a system that is going well north of the Great Lakes and into southeastern Canada. It's going to be accompanied by showers and thunderstorms. This will be later in the day, we think, on Thursday, and we'll have showers and thunderstorms probably in the evening hours, late afternoon, evening hours, moving through. Quick mover, and we think it is going to move out of here progressively, and this front moves right through. I will say the European model that ran earlier in the day on Sunday did show this hanging around here to Friday and Saturday, but we're going to side with the progressive front for now, and if we need to adjust, we will do so. But then it does look like high pressure is going to move in for Saturday. Here's the high pressure sitting over the Great Lakes. That's going to eventually move down into our area over the weekend and should provide for a very nice weekend as we get into both Saturday and Sunday here. We'll move ahead to Sunday here, and you see high pressure is now sitting over New England here on Sunday. So very nice weekend. Looks like it's coming up, and we're going to side with the progressive front where that frontal boundary stays well offshore and comes in and out on Thursday and shouldn't pose a problem after it moves through on Thursday night. I should say Thursday is going to come through later in the day Thursday, and then Thursday night the front comes through and should be out of here, so Friday should be okay and beyond. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 8th, 2014. Have a great Monday.